Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In this video I will tell you how can you write a program to print sum of numbers from 1 to 20 using while loop. But before starting, I want you to please access this playlist. I am continuously making the videos and adding to this playlist, and enjoy watching from the scratch to the advanced level. So now back to the topic. So first you have to declare a variable named I, in which you have to store 1 and then sum equals to 0. In this sum variable we will store the sum of numbers, and then while I is less than equals to 20, sum equals to sum plus I. Means first 1 will be added to 2, and then 2 will be added to 3, and this goes on till 20. So I'm again explaining. First I have written here I, in which is an increment variable which is increasing, and then I have declared here a variable named sum, in which I am storing the sum of numbers, and then I am written here while I is less than equals to 20. Means while loop will start from 1 and goes till 20. The first number which while loop given is 1, and then 1 will be stored to sum, and then second number will be 2, as for 1 is increased by 1 due to this line, and then it goes added to the previous one, and then 1 plus 2 equals to 3, and this will goes on till 20. So this is how this program will run. So let's see what's the output. So here you can see the output of numbers from sum of numbers from 1 to 20 is 210, which is correct. So hope this video is helpful for you. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and please access the playlist. Thank you.